Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to download Once Human Mobile and what is the requirement of Once Human Mobile. So first of all, please like and subscribe my channel. So the requirement of Once Human Mobile is OS Android 9.0 in iOS and 13 and iOS 15. For Android devices, minimum 6 GB RAM and up to 8 GB. Also for iOS, 4 GB RAM and 6 GB RAM. And storage is for Android devices 25 GB. Also for iOS 25 GB. And devices CPU you need Snapdragon or Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Dimensity 9000. So these are the requirement of this game. So to download this game in your phone, go to Once Human official website, click on the free now button should pop up. If you want to download for iOS or Android, you can scan the QR code. Afterward, you can log in and pre-register on iOS. So once you are done, you can easily play on your mobile. But there is one thing: there only pre-order on iOS. So the game is in beta testing version, so you can play beta version in your Android devices. So thanks for watching.